We get almost every night when that moon is big and bright. It's a super night.